Oh, jump in the lights! Oh, there's one jump in the lights there. What a wally! And now he's on the pavement. Another one on the pavement. Jump in the lights, jump in the lights. Another one jump in the lights. And one on the pavement. These idiots here. What are they doing? Absolute hell matters. And there's one going the wrong way up the one-way street. What a wally! Jump in the lights! There's one cycling on the pavement there. Another one cycling on the pavement there. What the hell? Bloody moron. There's one undertaking there. Bloody stupid thing to do. Jump in the lights! Oh, there's one cycling on the pavement. Jump in the lights! Oh, one cycling on the pavement there. A dickhead. Oh, we got a couple of idiots on the pavement there. Another one cycling on the pavement. Oh, he's got something on the pavement there. Fucking idiot. There's one on the wrong side of the road. Yeah, thanks. Another one on the pavement. An idiot. And there's one cycling on the pavement there. Oh, jump in the lights. And there's one cycling on the pavement. Red lights don't apply to you then, you wanker. This idiot's on the wrong side of the road and not even looking where he's going. Jump in the lights! Look at that twat. Nearly got run over by a bus, but unfortunately not. That's alright, mate. Red lights don't apply to you, wanker. Oh, jump in the lights! And there's one cycling on the pavement. Jump in the lights!